Hey, all you very lovely people out there. It's been ages. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Hope everything's great with you. It's been super busy, but like in a really good way. But I have missed you. Here's one for you. I mean, if you're anything like me, and you do remember, right, I like all foods all of the time. There's nothing I don't like. Well, maybe there is. Well, here's a really super quick one. In fact, it's a super quick mango chutney-esque, as I like to call it. It's for anyone like me who's just really a bit of an addict when it comes to mangoes and mango chutney and mango everything. There's absolutely a place for popping down to the local and picking up a lovely jar of mango chutney of a certain brand that you like particularly. But living here in France, those things aren't necessarily possible. And where they are possible, they're not really the same price. Could be a little bit of an owie. So here's the cheap version that allows me to all year round have one of my favourite little treats. You don't want to be without mango chutney. So it's a complete cheat. It's a quick fix. It's one of those how to make all things possible, no matter what time of the year, no matter what the circumstances. If you need mango chutney, you've got to go for a mango chutney-esque. I got you covered, people. Not one for the purists. But I mean, sometimes you just need a little bit of what you love, even if you have to cheat a lot. Mango chutney, I can't get enough of the stuff. This one gives you a really super speedy version on like a school work night. And you just need to fix that craving. It's not like one of those long-term preserves. But to be honest, once I pop open a jar, it's never going to last longer than about 3 days, which is just about perfect because all you need to do, if there is any leftovers, is pop it in a sealed container, put it in the fridge, and it needs to be gone in 3 days. Okay. I mean, that's just a winner, right? Next day, put some of the good stuff in your wrap. Oh, that's a sneaky lunch right there. And obviously it's a great accompaniment, something like a quick throw together chickpea curry or something like that. I mean, even cheese and crackers. Oh, yes, please. Well, whatever it is for you guys, I hope you love it. Let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. I mean, and if you have any cheats like this, I'm always learning. The only reason I even know anything about anything that I'm doing is because when I'm traveling, I'm asking and I'm doing and I'm invading people's kitchen space. I love to learn and I love to talk about everything to do with cooking and food. So please share away. And if you've got some extra good cheats, I mean, share them with me. Whatever your mango chutney-esque goes with, here it is. Quick fix, school night, work night, delicious-rooney. Can't get enough of it. Mango chutney-esque. Enjoy this one. See you soon, everyone.